Alright, Mace, we got good stick, good stick.
Did you hit the
10-4, 10-4. We got tire, rear tire down, rear tire down. Pit.
36 tips.
1050, 1050. Show me your goddamn hand! Give me a reason! Give me a reason! Roll down your window! Roll down your window! Give me a reason.
I'm not.
Look at all. Hey, I'm about your seatbelt fall out on the fucking ground. Anything stupid, I'm gonna fucking shoot you. You understand me?
I got it.
Crawl across that seat.
He's in driving mode.
I don't give a shit.
Let me do this. You want to
Put it in park. Put it in park. Put it in park.
Crawl across. 50,000 volts, do something stupid.
Sir, I
I don't give a shit.
No, I just need you to know. I just need you to know.
Get on the fucking ground.
So,
Stupid.
All you gotta do.
Now, you used to work for